What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks, and in this video, I have a wee blessings haul. Now, I haven't showed this to you guys for a while because the last one that I got from them, it was a lot of stuff that I couldn't wear, and it was definitely not their fault. I needed to go in and change my profile because now that I'm working from home, I don't wear the dresses and the skirts and all of that stuff anymore because I am at home all the time. I mean, who am I dressing up for? You know what I'm saying? Like, usually I just wear something comfortable like what I have on now. So I went in and changed my profile so that they would send me things that were more along the lines of what I wear now. So I didn't bother to show you guys that video because I did do a video, but then when I got to the end of it, I didn't try anything on because I knew I was sending everything back. So I didn't want to waste time trying it on. So then I thought, that's kind of a boring video, and I just didn't post it. At any rate, I think I only get these every 6 months now. I don't get them very often because I definitely do not need any more clothes. But I'm very curious to see what they have in this haul. So let's see what they sent me and let's see if I'm going to keep anything. Okay, guys. So, woo! Here's the bag. They have their little, I don't even know which way it goes. Does it go this way? Anyways, they have their cute little sticker on there letting you know you got a little wee blessings thing. You know, I'm not very small anymore, and this bag is like, you know, it's super small. Wonder how many things they put in here. They're probably sending me less because I'm not keeping anything. They're like, oh, we're not going to waste our time on her anymore. However, whoops, I dropped the bag. They give you a bag to send everything back in. I don't think I need to show you guys that. But at any rate, I noticed that the shipping went up on this. To $9. It used to be $8. Now it's $9. It is non-refundable, and no, it does not go towards your purchase. You're just out that money if you decide to get this subscription. Okay, so oops, it says your blessing, wee blessing has arrived, Amber. That is very cute. I like how they do that. Personalization is awesome. So let's pop this bad boy open. They do give you 10 full days to, you know, try this stuff on and decide if you want to keep anything. I've had this for a while, and I hope my 10 days isn't up yet because I most likely won't keep everything, but, you know, we'll see. It depends. This is cute, though, as we're starting off here. So what do we have? These are cute. Look at these, huh? What? I mean, what? These are cute. Now, I do get similar ones like this. Believe it or not, I bought all the ones that I have at Family Dollar for like $8 or $10 or something. They were super cheap. Anyways, these are really cute. I don't know what the price is for them. They're evolution and creation. So, I mean, the quality is going to be better than what I get at Family Dollar. But I got to say, this Family Dollar ones has lasted me quite a few years already. So, I don't know. We'll have to see. Something Bell. That's awesome. Okay. Well, they sent me a skirt. It is a cute skirt. It's a checkered skirt, but I probably most likely will not keep the skirt, guys. I just don't wear skirts anymore as much as I used to, and I have a boatload of them, so I really don't want to add more when I'm just really not wearing that kind of stuff. It's very cute, though. So there's that. And what else do we have? This is short. It's cute, and it's definitely more of a casual kind of a thing. Oh, I didn't even tell you what this skirt was because I'm most likely not going to keep it. Love on a Hanger. Love on a Hanger. That is the brand of this skirt here. So that's cute. All right. So this is cute. It's like casual, but boy, is it short. I really don't wear short anything, guys. You would never see me walk out in public in this because I just don't, you know, I'm not comfortable in that kind of stuff. This is a Find Your Balance skirt. It says Balance Collection. So it's very cute, you guys. But again, I don't see myself wearing something that short, so most likely we'll send that one back. And then we have an Aeropostale shirt. It's just very casual, you know, very athletic looking kind of a shirt. But I'm not excited about it. So this is the thing, guys. I don't feel like trying stuff on that I most likely know that I won't keep. We're going to look at the price list, and that's going to determine if I try anything on or not. May have wasted you guys' time again. Oh, this is really cute. Now, this I like. I like this a lot. So this is Kyodan, I guess you can say. Anyways, this is cute. It's like a camouflage shirt, and I like that it's looser kind of a situation. It would be for me. This is cute, you guys. Okay, let's go ahead and check out the price list, which they put in an envelope for you here. See if any of this stuff will be in the running. Okay, So the gray black camo athletic shirt that I just showed you, this one right here, is $23. The retail price is $42. 23 bucks though. Do I $23 like the shirt? I doubt it. And then the Apostle one, the pink one that I just showed you, it is also $23. I'm so cheap, guys. I have a Gabe's where I live. So $23 is just more than I would like to spend. Like, I mean, if it was $10, $13, I would definitely maybe consider keeping them. But at that price, I definitely don't think I'm going to. So then we have the Balance Collection green camo skirt. Now, I know these are like name brands and stuff like that. So keeping that in mind, would I, I don't know. Because the retail price of this skirt, they're saying is $55. And they're going to sell it to me for $29, which is a good price. But I get name brand stuff at Gabe's for like $5. And then the Love on a Hanger black and white checkered skirt is, the retail price is $42, but it's $23 if I wanted to keep it. And these super cute leggings that I actually quite like, the retail price on these is $60, guys. But they would sell to me for $30. I hate to do this to you guys again. I probably will post this video this time, but here's the thing, guys. I'm not going to waste time trying this stuff on because based on the prices alone, I'm not going to keep it. I mean, unless it was something that was drop dead gorgeous on me, which I sincerely doubt this stuff is going to be. I just don't see me keeping this stuff. I just wish they could send me things that are lower priced. I know this stuff is name brand. I know this is a great deal, but for me, I just don't want to spend that kind of money on clothes when I absolutely do not need clothes. So I'm going to pass again on all of this stuff, and I'm actually not going to waste time trying it on. I did really like a couple of things in there, especially the pants and that camo shirt. If the price was right, I definitely would have kept both of those items, but because they're not, I just don't want to waste time trying them on. So sorry. I'm going to return everything, and I'm really sorry that I don't have a try on for you today, but because I have a little bit more time, because I'm not going to try stuff on, I wanted to let you guys know that I'm definitely going to start working back in my fashion DIYs. I've already been working on some really cool stuff, and I hope that you guys are going to get some inspiration from these ideas. And a lot of these ideas are simple. They're not new. They're not inventive, so you can say, so to say, but I do think that you guys will find inspiration from them and maybe do things with your clothes that maybe you didn't think about doing. So I'm really excited. So I'm going to start sharing those with you beginning next week. I know that I've just derailed everything, guys, but I've been going through a lot of stuff right now. So I just haven't been able to post the way that I wanted to or would have wanted to. I can't even talk, so I'm not taking any of this out. This is me, guys. I can't even think right now. Nonetheless, I haven't been able to post the videos the way that I intended to. So you're seeing me like release 2 in the same day because one was meant for the day before or so on and so forth. I'm going to try to get myself in order, you guys. My son starts school next week and I'm really super stressed out about it. And I've just been kind of running around like a chicken with my head cut off, getting him ready for school, getting my niece ready for school, just all of the stuff that, goes into all of this school stuff. And, I've had a few roadblocks with some of the things with the school, but I've talked to them quite frequently, and I think that we have everything worked out, so I'm definitely feeling a lot better about it. But yeah, guys, I have just been crazy. I've been crazy with work, crazy with getting my son ready for school, crazy with just day-to-day life, and there's just a lot going on right now. So, nonetheless, all that said, I'm definitely going to get myself back on track, and I look forward to doing that because I have so many fun ideas for you guys, and I just really want to get them out there, just hoping to give somebody some inspiration. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video. We Blessing is a great place to get discounted clothing if you want name brand clothes like this. I will have a link to the website in my description box below, so please don't let my review of the things they sent to me this time discourage you from checking them out because they do actually send some really awesome things. I just don't want to pay these prices right now, and that's just where I'm at. All right, guys, that's it for this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye!